Hey folks, it's Jim from the Movie One, and about 99% of the time I'm more interested in hearing what you guys have to say. I like to express my opinion, but I like to hear feedback, whether you agree or disagree with me. And this video is about X-Men First Class. What did you think about it? Did you like it? Did you hate it? Did you think it was okay? Did it get the series back on the right track? Or were you someone who thought the series wasn't hindered at all after movies like X-Men The Last Stand and X-Men Origins Wolverine? I mean, I didn't like those films, but of course you don't have to agree with me. And yeah, what would you like to see in future X-Men installments? The film, I think, X-Men First Class made, I think, $56 million on its first weekend, and then $25 million on its second weekend. I was hoping with good word of mouth it would make more than $25 million, but that's not too bad. Hopefully, you know, with its theater release and its DVD sales, the film will do really well, and maybe 20th Century Fox can consider this not the First Class, not just a prequel, but more so as a reboot, and maybe make 2 more installments. Because personally, I don't think X-Men First Class really fits the continuity of the other films, aside from a couple of things. And what would you like to see if they made more sequels? Personally, I'd like to see the actual First Class come together. I'd like to see a Cyclops. I'd like to see Jean. And I'd really like to see a Cyclops that was actually an assertive leader, Iceman, things like that. I'm okay with Magneto being the consistent villain. He's really the bad guy that really gets at the idea of the mutant struggle more than other villains. Certain villains, I think, get a little too out there, and they just don't work for the big screen. But, you know, you never know. But what bad guys would you like to see? What's new? X-Men, mutants, what have you? Who would you like to see? What storylines would you like to see in future installments? I know I would definitely like to see the next film take place in the 70s, and if they had one following that into the 80s. But overall, yeah, what do you think of X-Men First Class? What would you like to see in further installments if 20th Century Fox decided to consider this as a reboot opportunity? And yeah, and what do you think of the X-Men series as a whole? And yeah, that's it. Leave comments, what have you. I'd like to know. And yeah, that's it from the Movie One. Have a good day, folks. I'm Jim from the Movie One, and I will see you later. Bye.